Hi there, this is Stephanie from Spikefly. In this video, I'll walk you through how to add patients to your Spikefly software. So once you log in, you should land on your customer activity screen, which looks like this. To add a new patient, simply click on the blue button on the right side of the screen, Add Customer. This will allow you to add an individual customer. Simply add their first name, last name, and email address, and click Add Customer. Keep in mind it's not necessary to add their phone number. Your other option is to click on the Request tab on the left side of your screen and then click Import Customers. Once here, you can actually bring in a spreadsheet with a large number of patients' information already added. That way you don't have to add each patient one by one. This is great for practices who are just getting started and they have a spreadsheet of past patients that they would like to ask feedback but don't want to spend the time to add them individually. You do want to set up your spreadsheet in a proper format so Spikefly can understand it. You'll need 3 columns. The first column will show the patient's first name, second column is their last name, and the third column is their email address. Simply press Choose File, Import from your computer, and Spikefly will walk you through how to specify which column is which category of information. Once you've imported your patient's information or added patients, you don't have to do anything else. The system will automatically send emails to your patients requesting feedback and asking and encouraging reviews on your online profiles. We've already connected your online profiles for your practice for all the major review sites. The emails that the patients receive can be customized. We'll send you a test email so that you can walk through and see exactly what your patients will see when they use the Spikefly software. If at any point you see an email or a verbiage that you would like changed, simply send us an email and we'd be happy to change that for you. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for using Spikefly.